Okay, this is for Project 2's technical blog. I'm going to talk about what a lens is. Basically, there are two types of lens. Um, there's the concave or biconcave, and this is the one most typically seen in corrective lenses. Also, it was the one that we made with the telescope. Um, and then there's also convex lenses, which basically the difference between the concave and the convex lenses is a concave would form kind of like a mound, whereas a convex would form like a valley. The difference between the light refractions is basically a convex lens, when the light hits the convex lens, the rays will converge together, and with a concave lens, when the light hits the concave lens, the rays will diverge. So it's also important when you're talking about lenses to talk about what real and virtual images are. Basically, a real image is where the focal point of the light is. A real image usually occurs where rays converge, whereas like a virtual image, it occurs where the rays only appear to converge. So in optics, a virtual image is an image that is an outgoing rays from the point of the object that always intersect at the point. So it also seems easy to see it's very easy to see real images when it's projected on an opaque screen. There's also a couple of different mediums that light can pass through in order to see the object. First, the transparent one is the most easily visible. A good example of a transparent medium would be like a window, like a clean window. And There is a rougher, I guess, version of the transparency would be translucent, which would be considered like a shower screen type of a shower door. You can see the object, but you can see the light, but it's not defined. Also, the least amount visible would be an opaque surface, which I talked about before about the real image. It's very easy to see real images on an opaque screen because light comes through it, but no images can be seen. A good example would be like a a window that would have paint all completely covering it, so you can see the light but not the image. That's why, because it's a blank surface, it's very easy to see real images on. Booyah.